of them gon' talk, I know. Most of them gon' fall, I know. We gon' bet it all, I know. We gon' bet it all, I know. Our girl, I really wanna know your way.
Cool car meet.
They haven't seen it yet.
Oh. Morning, people.
They saw the back of a black car, and it could easily be your car. Even has the same dual tip exhaust.
Your ways, I really wanna know your ways. I really wanna.
Again.
I don't know what's happening. We're just gonna keep showing this car and not say anything about it. Just gonna back up from it now.
Know your ways. I really wanna have a girl. You've been running through my section all day. You've been running through my mind all day.
Alright, well, Luna, stop it. Luna. Well, just forget about the car for a second. This mystery car. Just look at my hair. It's been bleached a little bit. Then it got toned out a little bit. Let's go. Alright, so actually, this is a 1998 240SX. If you guys follow me on Instagram, I kind of showed that I got this car. Luna, stop it. So, yeah. It's a clean title. It wasn't a front end accident. I'll show them the dashboard. So the passenger side airbag actually did go off. Why is this not opening? What the fuck? Technical difficulties. I was messing with that door yesterday because it was like really weird.
Just pop it open from your side. You gotta take the door panel off and figure that out.
Oof. Making that noise. You try to unlock it. Luna! My head like hits the roof in this car when it's in this position. It's super weird. I don't like seeing that far back though.
Put it forward and lean the seat back.
I do. Uh-oh. What the fuck?
Almost no dings. It's nice.
I guess. Just show the engine for a sec. Dude, after driving the STI around and constantly lifting that hood, this hood feels ridiculous how heavy it is.
You have to work out.
Look at all these oil leaks. It's exactly like my S13. So we got a valve cover leak pretty much there. It looks like it might be leaking from the oil cap. The power steering is obviously leaking too, so gonna have to get the same Chase Bays kit for my S13 for this car. Replace the valve cover gaskets, and then whatever else, because I'm sure there's a couple others. Then it's all stock, except for obviously the intake, which doesn't really do anything. But yeah, it's here.
Is that strip bar OEM?
Oh no, that's not. But whatever. I guess the radiator is not stock either. But
You need a cap.
yeah, this is the overflow tank. It probably got cracked because that's a common thing on these cars. Yeah, so they just duct taped it, or he lost the cap. I don't know. I haven't even taken a look at it yet. Yeah, this engine bay, looks so easy now because I know this engine very well, and the STI is just so crowded. So the fact that I can see the ground through my engine bay is pretty crazy. What do you think? You're gonna sell your Prelude and get a S14?
No, not yet. Not soon. I wouldn't sell the Lude. You need a bigger filter too. A little baby dick filter.
I don't care. It doesn't really matter. No gains. So I know all you guys want right now is a cold start for the boys. I've got you all. Stock dual tip exhaust, but there is a hole in the muffler, so it's a little bit louder than stock.
Oh baby. I'm shook.
Hell yeah. More weird sounding Japanese 4-cylinders for you.
I think I heard that little rattle you're talking about.
Yeah, you'll hear it more when driving around. The door catches too. Tag. What you got going on today? This bad boy.
Got a couple things actually. Oil change. I want to paint some trim parts, some more race car preps. Hood struts, horns, and I said oil change, right? Yeah, oil change. And that's about it.
So, when we were filming our water wetter video, we were also going to include a Sparco toe strap, but the guy behind the camera had to leave. So this is literally zip tied on right now.
Try and pull it off.
I don't want to pull on your bumper though, because it'll put pressure on it.
True. Okay, stop.
So there's like a 10-pound zip tie holding that on right now. It hasn't fallen off in the last week. You need to do that right. Keep this car meet. Just keep this car meet at my house. We got a rental Charger. We got this Lude, STI, S14, S13 kind of lurking there. Dude, the S13, the idle is so clean now. I'd never told you.
I haven't had a proper startup.
Like it idles perfectly.
Oh, brother.
And so I don't know what the situation was, but Chase Bays took a pretty long time to ship my power steering out, but it is actually coming officially on Wednesday. They already sent me the tracking. So this car will be hopefully good by the end of this week. And then yeah, it'll be back on the road. I'll be driving it to school every so often. And then I'll talk to you guys about what's going on with this car and this car at the end of this video. Right now we got to get Matthew's car worked on before he has to leave, because it's super about to say it's Supercar Sunday, but it's Super Bowl Sunday, and he's working a little bit.
Yeah.
So we're actually going to do a quick run to an auto parts store because this guy wasn't prepared with all of his stuff to do the installs today.
I'm trying to think. Should I take one of the horns, see if we could? Well, I know the butt connectors will work.
Boom! One AutoZone trip later. So, first batch of parts. I got a new valve cover gasket, distributor, rotor and cap, new spark plugs, and an O2 sensor wrench so I can finally tighten my O2 sensor on my SR, because it's just hand tight right now. And then Matthew, he got some wiring stuff. So our mission for today is to finally get his battery bolted down. That's required for the track. And then he does have hella horns. We got some connectors for it, and we have some wiring. We're gonna see if we can wire those up in the Lude. So right now we have Matthew doing an oil change with motor flush on his car. I'm working on the S13 intake. It did come, so I'm just spraying it black to match the rest of the engine bay. And then got some Prelude stuff and some S14 stuff. Matthew's not going to be here for that long, so we'll see what we can get done on his car. Starting off with the oil change, then we're either going to do his hella horns or his toe strap. We'll see which one. And then, yeah.
Both easily.
Maybe.
Yeah.
Got to put more layers down on this.
Finish this up.
Cool.
CEROS, that's right. I pay way too much for my flights. I pay way too much for my clothes. I'm just too damn cute.
Yeah, you gotta get a move on. You have oil in the car? There's oil.
Yep.
There's a drain plug tight?
Yep.
Alright, we got everything done.
Jesus.
So, here, let me take the camera. So to do this, we basically just drilled a hole in the bottom of the crash bar. And then after we drill the hole, we use a 1 1/4 inch quarter hole saw. And then there's a second layer that you have to do it again. So we cut 2 holes and then we just held the nut in place with a wrench and then just tightened it down. And that is how you install a toe strap on pretty much any stock crash bar. It'll be a very similar method.